Looking for tools that can seriously upgrade your workshop? From powerful screwdrivers to heavy-duty workstations, these are 5 must-have tools you need to see. First up, handheld plastic welding gun. Its dual heating system independently heats both the base material and welding rod for stable, consistent welds on PE, PP, HDPE, and LDPE plastics. With an 800-watt motor, it delivers up to 2.5 kilograms per hour of smooth extrusion. The digital temperature control, cold start protection, overload protection, and 360-degree rotating welding shoe make tough jobs easier and more precise. From tanks and pipes to geomembranes and pond liners, this powerful tool is built for serious plastic welding. VLOXO cordless electric scissors. With a powerful 240 RPM cutting speed and up to 1/4 inch cutting capacity, this electric cutter slices through cardboard, leather, plastic mats, carpets, and felt with far less effort than traditional scissors. Its patented 8-sided high-carbon steel blade automatically sharpens as you cut, staying factory sharp for longer. A dual safety lock helps prevent accidental starts, while the lightweight, under 1-pound design makes it easy to carry and use with either hand. The kit also includes a Type-C charging cable and storage case, making tough cutting jobs faster and easier. Works 4V cordless screwdriver. Tired of constantly swapping screwdriver bits? This smart tool lets you switch between 6 bits with a simple slide action changer. The internal rapid reloadable cartridge stores all 6 included bits, so you'll never lose them again. Its screw holder attachment lets you drive screws one-handed, while the efficient battery can hold a charge for up to 18 months. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight, compact, and comfortable for all-day DIY projects. Heavy-duty rolling miter saw stand. Need a stable workstation for your power tools? This sturdy stainless steel stand supports up to 400 pounds, giving you a solid, wobble-free platform for precise cuts. Its adjustable mounting rails fit a wide range of miter saws and other power tools. And when it's time to move, the built-in handle and large 10-inch wheels make transportation easy. Best of all, it doubles as a versatile workbench or workshop storage table, making it a smart upgrade for any DIYer or professional. EnerTwist 8V cordless power screwdriver. With a powerful 8-volt motor, delivering up to 10 Nm of torque and 230 RPM speed, it handles a wide range of fastening and light drilling tasks. The 21+1 clutch settings give you precise control, while the 2-position handle switches between inline and pistol grip operation. A built-in LED light improves visibility, and the lightweight design weighs just 1.13 pounds. With an 82-piece accessory kit, flexible extension shaft, charger, and portable case included, this is a complete DIY screwdriver setup, ready for your next project.